What is the universe made of? Matter, right? Wouldn't you say it's made of matter? Well, not exactly. Only 5% of our universe is actually made of the stuff we know as matter. What's the other stuff made of? Mysterious stuff we call dark matter makes up 27% of the universe. We know it exists because gravity acts like it's there, but we can't see it, not with light, or telescopes, or even super special telescopes meant to find weak particles that scientists call WIMPs, or WIMPs. Yes, that's really what they're called. What's the other 68%? Well, we call it dark energy. It has nothing to do with dark matter. Sorry to be confusing, but we know dark energy exists because it's pushing the universe apart. The universe is expanding faster than it's supposed to, and something must be doing the pushing. That force, which we don't know very much about, is called dark energy. That remaining 5% of matter, the stuff we know and understand, is mostly made up of hydrogen. About 75% of it, in fact. Another 23% is made of helium. So out of the 5% of the stuff in the universe, only 2% of that stuff makes up most of the neat things you see around you on Earth. Pretty cool, huh?